Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Easter home decor. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this wreath form that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint this using white chalk paint. After this is dry, I am going to add some floral foam in the center of this little square. I made this burlap strip and I wrapped this around it. I then use a Dollar Tree ribbon and I cut this in a whole bunch of pieces. Each little piece was about 8 inches long. So I made a whole bunch of little strips. Once I was finished, I started tying this around the little middle part, just like this. And this is how it looks. I added the entire ribbon roll. Now I used some of this greenery that I already had, but Dollar Tree carries a whole bunch of greenery that you can use. I did cut like the little end of each little stem so I can be able to stick it into the floral foam. Some of them were falling off, so I used some glue. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to paint this piece of wood that I got from Dollar Tree. This is the 10-inch long. I am going to paint it white. Then I'm going to add the wreath form to the piece of wood using hot glue and some Jenga blocks. To finish this off, I will be adding a little bow to the bunny, and I'm using this ribbon that I got from, I think this is from Walmart. But that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this bunny sign that I got from Dollar Tree. Now I got this last year, but I think I seen these this year. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the little happy sign. Then I'm going to use some Jenga blocks to go all around the egg, like the bottom of it. And a little bit inside the egg, I'm going to make like a line. This is so there is some place where I can glue the popsicle sticks to. I'm going to add the popsicle sticks now. I started off by removing one of the top parts, and then I kind of cut off the edge like this. So I'm going to just place first the popsicle sticks and then cut it around. So I basically turned the little egg into a basket with the Jenga blocks and the popsicle sticks. Now I'm going to paint this using the Waverly chalk paint, or it's not a chalk paint, it's the Waverly Antique Wax. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can leave it like that, but I decided to turn these little pink parts into purple, which I am using this scrapbooking paper. I'm going to make like the little circles on the paws and the ear part and the nose part. Once I am done, I am going to glue them with the glue gun because I couldn't find my glue stick. I had some burlap pieces which I am going to add inside the basket, and then I'm adding some of this beautiful picks that I got from the Dollar General. To finish this off, I'm going to add this little burlap bow, and that is it. Look how cute this basket turned out. For my next project, I'm using this other Dollar Tree Easter decor sign and this piece of wood and this dowel. I'm going to start by taking this apart. I'm only using the bunny parts. Then I'm going to paint the piece of wood white and cut it to size, or cut it a little bit smaller. I cut the dowel in half, then I glue this behind the bunny. I'm going to add some little holes to the wood piece. Then I'm going to add the dowels in there. So they don't move, I am going to add a little bit of hot glue. And you can leave this just like this, but I decided to add some greenery, so I'm adding a little bit of the floral foam, then adding some greenery, little small stems or picks, and look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm going to use this piece of faux wood that I got from Hobby Lobby. This was $2.99, but I got it when it was like 70% off, so I paid so much less for this. Now using this family wood sign that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I will be adding this to the sign. I added it to one side, like the bottom side, but I do end up removing this and adding it to the middle. Then I'm adding some little bunnies. These I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add 4. There is 4 in my family, so I'm going to add 4. I then added some little bows, which I then realized, wait, the bunnies are facing back, but I still left the bows. But that is it. Look how cute this turned out. And that is it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.